I don't particularly like these cars, but they're fast for cheap, so got no choice, right? I'm gonna show you how to install a header that doesn't drop in. So what you're gonna do, you see that there, motor mount? Once you take your stock manifold off, which would be here. Now, I already have headers on this car, obviously, but anyway, unbolt that to where it's barely, I think it's like 1 or 2 threads on it. Take a jack under your oil pan down here on whatever side. Now have jacks under your entire car if you're gonna do this, that way the weight's evenly distributed. You can crack the oil pan, it's highly unlikely, but I've seen it cracked from people who've just had the front jacked up. The oil pan itself is aluminum. If you have one of these cars, you probably know that, but you can jack it up from one of the sides of the bat wing there, and boom, you'd be able to drop it in, and I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, hopefully you guys can see this, but I'm gonna take this, drop it on in here like so, give it a little twist, boom, goes right in. So after you do all that, you can get a couple extensions, go in there. Yeah, you got your header installed. You don't need to go under, have a lift. Just gotta lift the motor up a little bit, and you should be good to go. This goes for eBay headers, Texas Speed Engineering, pretty much everything that doesn't cost like over $1,200 is gonna need a little bit of help with the jack. I've had some American Racing headers and they slip right in from the bottom, but I find this to be way easier. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll bring you more updates on other things I'm doing with the car, I guess. Nitrous kit coming soon, later.